Cheesecake. Cheesecake may look like a simple cake, but it is actually one of the oldest desserts still enjoyed today. Historians trace its roots back to ancient Greece, but Americans transformed it into the rich and creamy dessert people know today. A classic cheesecake has a smooth cream cheese filling sitting on a crunchy graham cracker crust. What makes it special is its unique texture. It is not quite a cake and not quite a pie. It sits somewhere in between. In cities like New York, cheesecake became so popular that entire bakeries built their reputation around it. A surprising fact is that cheesecake can easily crack while baking if the temperature changes too quickly. Despite its challenges, people love it because every bite feels rich, luxurious, and comforting. Brownies. Few desserts are as simple yet as beloved as the brownie. This chocolate square was invented in the United States in the late 19th century and quickly became a national favorite. Brownies are known for their dense texture, crispy top layer, and deep chocolate flavor. Some are chewy, while others are almost cake-like. What makes brownies unusual is that bakers still argue over which style is best. They appear at school events, family gatherings, and coffee shops across the country. One surprising fact is that brownies were reportedly created by accident when a baker forgot to add baking powder to a chocolate cake recipe. Whether that story is true or not, Americans continue to eat millions of brownies every year because they are simple, affordable, and incredibly satisfying. Donuts. Donuts have become an American icon. Although versions existed in Europe long before, the modern donut exploded in popularity in the United States. These fried rings of dough come covered in sugar, glaze, chocolate, or colorful toppings. Their appearance alone makes them instantly recognizable. What makes donuts special is their endless variety. Every city seems to have its own creative version. A surprising fact is that during World War I, volunteers known as Donut Girls served donuts to American soldiers, helping turn the dessert into a symbol of comfort and home. Today, donuts are connected to morning coffee culture, making them much more than just a sweet snack. Apple pie. Apple pie is often called America's dessert, even though its origins go back to Europe. Over time, it became deeply connected to American culture and family traditions. A golden crust filled with warm cinnamon-spiced apples creates a dessert that feels both simple and nostalgic. What makes apple pie special is its connection to home cooking and holiday gatherings. The phrase, "as American as apple pie," shows just how important it became in the national identity. A surprising fact is that early apple pies often used apples that were too sour to eat on their own. People should care because this dessert tells a story about history, immigration, and tradition all in one slice. Ice cream. Ice cream is one of the most popular desserts in America, especially during summer. While frozen treats have existed for centuries, the United States helped turn ice cream into a massive industry. Ice cream appears in countless flavors, from classic vanilla and chocolate to unusual creations featuring bacon, hot sauce, or even breakfast cereal. What makes it special is its ability to constantly reinvent itself. One surprising fact is that Americans consume billions of servings of ice cream every year. However, scientists have discovered that ice cream melts differently depending on its ingredients and air content. Despite its simplicity, ice cream remains one of the happiest and most universal desserts ever created. Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies were born in America and completely changed dessert history. They were invented in Massachusetts during the 1930s when chocolate pieces were added to cookie dough. The result became an instant success. These cookies feature golden edges, soft centers, and melted chocolate scattered throughout. What makes them special is their perfect balance between texture and flavor. A surprising fact is that the inventor originally expected the chocolate pieces to melt completely into the dough, but instead, they stayed intact and created something entirely new. Today, chocolate chip cookies are found in homes, restaurants, bakeries, and supermarkets across the nation because they represent comfort and simplicity. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie becomes the star of American tables every fall. It has deep roots in early American history and is strongly connected to Thanksgiving celebrations. The pie features a smooth pumpkin, filling flavored with cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Its bright orange color immediately stands out. What makes pumpkin pie unique is that many people only eat it during a specific season, creating anticipation every year. A surprising fact is that millions of pumpkins grown in America are used specifically for pie production. People should care because pumpkin pie reflects how food traditions can unite generations around a single holiday table. Chocolate cake. At the very top sits chocolate cake, the king of American desserts. While cakes have existed for centuries, modern chocolate cake became possible after chocolate became widely available and affordable. A rich chocolate sponge layered with creamy frosting creates a dessert that feels celebratory and indulgent. What makes chocolate cake special is its universal appeal. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and celebrations often feature some version of it. A surprising fact is that chocolate contains compounds that can trigger feelings of pleasure and satisfaction in the brain, helping explain why people crave it so much. Chocolate cake is more than a dessert. It represents celebration, happiness, and shared memories, which is exactly why it remains America's most famous sweet treat.